Guys, Candy Cameron here, and today we're going on like the most craziest adventure I think I've ever had. We're going on a cruise, and of course, I did go on a cruise before, and I did film it, but it was really crappy because it was one of my no way that was my favorite video, but it was one of my first videos, and you guys can check that out. It's mainly just getting there, not even being on the cruise. But anyways, it's not going to be flying. We have to drive 20 hours to Florida. So it's going to be a crazy adventure. We're going to go in hotels. We got to drive. It's going to be a really long adventure. But, you know, I really want to share it with you guys because I just really want to make a better cruise ship video than the one I did before. Anyways, consider liking and subscribing the video. It really helps my channel and every subscriber really makes me happy. I know that you might think I'm lying, but it really does, guys. Anyways, yeah, let's get into the adventure. Alright, guys, we're outside, and it is raining so hard. Dude, why is it the trunk open? I'm gonna die, I'm gonna die. Get in the car. Oh, shoot, guys. Oh, it's pitch black. Oh, shoot. Oh, my back. Okay, guys. Alright, guys. We are in, so yeah, it's kind of crowded back here, but I got probably the worst seat, but I'm fine with it. Overall, you know, it's kind of cool to have your own space. Nice. I think I'm going to handle it. Got my water bottle. My bag's right there. So yeah, I guess we're going to Florida, guys. So I guess let's start this adventure. I got it. Oh. Alright, guys, we got to our first pit stop. Oh my god, I love this hair. Oh my god, guys, it feels so warm. I don't know. Anyways, guys, this is our first pit stop. It is super long getting there. We're at least like 20%. We're like 20% down, I think, maybe 15. It's super long though, and really just annoying. It would have been better if we went at daytime. Anyways, guys, it's just super hard to fall asleep because the road's just so bumpy, and we're probably not going to be going to another pit stop for a while, so yeah. But Look at all this candy, guys. That's a lot of candy. Alright guys, this is the first pit stop and let's go continue our journey to Florida. Okay guys, back to the annoying car. It's gonna be a real long ride, guys. You don't know. It's already so hard to like fall asleep. And we've only been like for like 5 to 4 hours.
Can't do that yet.
Guys, we are at our gas station. It is super tiring. I'm really tired and yeah. Guys, I'm out. It's really cold out. Alright, let's go inside. Alright guys, we're going back to the car. It's been at least like 12 hours. It's taking a really long time, but we're almost there. We only have like 8 hours left, I think. We're like halfway, kind of. 60% done. We have 40% left. Anyways, this is my little area. It's not that much. Got my blank area. Got an area where I put my water.
Yeah.
Got my backpack. Then I got this little like station area where I could put my things on. It's cool. Anyways, oh yeah, and the best part is I got this light. So yeah, pretty cool on the back. Guys, we actually finally got to the hotel. We are in Florida, and we're going on the cruise tomorrow. So we made it, guys. You know, it's like 20 more minutes and it would be 24 hours. So we did officially ride 24 hours to Florida, guys. That's kind of unbelievable, but I'm so excited to go relax in the hotel because I hate this car now. And you guys don't know how exhausting it is to be in a car for 24 hours. It seems simple, but it isn't. Guys are going inside. And of course I gotta be wearing a long sleeve shirt and sweatpants. So that kind of sucks.
What are you going to do? You can't lose the whole crew, right?
Push your desk close to the edge. Alright guys, we're in the hotel. I'm so excited because it's actually air conditioning. We actually get to relax for once. You guys don't know how tiring it is. This was literally like one of those 24-hour challenges. Like, they seem easy, but they are not.
I've done them before. They're pretty easy.
Well, not in a car.
I would prefer to be in a car than in a toilet paper form.
A toilet paper.
That's what I've done.
Ow. Anyways, like and subscribe and
Hope you don't die.
comment below if you